member of my family. But I forgot that my wife was actually a pillar in my struggles. My wife was a pillar in my struggles. Okay? Okay, sit down so that I can see my wife. Without this woman, this lady here, we wouldn't have been here today. There were times things got so tough. Things got so tough. If not for her, we would have packed up. She was the woman of immense humility and a great Christian. My wife is a married devotee. For those who are Catholics here, she is a devotee of our Blessed Mother. When I took her to Fatima in May last year, when other people will be sleeping, my wife will be walking around the apparition ground, saying the rosary. I will join her sometimes. Sometimes we go with other women. So, my darling, I love you. So please join me in thanking her. There were times we were in the courts. People will be saying all kinds of things. When I get home, my wife will tell me to continue. Don't stop. Once you have decided to fight this cause, continue. I'll be praying for you. So, she never minded the money we spent in the struggles. She never told me to stop. Instead, I should continue to pray for me. Darling, you're not the wife of a senator. And I think it's the fine reward for our steadfastness. And when we go out, they call you wife of a senator. At least I'm happy now. If I had not done this, then don't go